chief guest and attendants. Congratulations to all of you on behalf of Al-Qalam Adarsh Nurani Madrasa, today's annual and chronic road events. And on this glorious month, we snatched away our cherished freedom from Pakistan. 16th December is not only a glorious day, but also Victory Day in the history of Bangladesh. Alhamdulillah. We are grateful to Almighty Allah for being gathered on this day. We know 16th December is the Victory Day of Bangladesh. On this month, in 1971, Bangladesh achieved its freedom from the hands of Pakistan occupation force. After a long, bloody war, Pakistan army compelled to surrender. Victory Day is not just a day; it is a symbol of nation's honor, dignity, and struggle. Finally, the martyrs must be mentioned, who give up their valuable life for this country. Let us dedicate ourselves to the service of this country and its people by expressing our solidarity with them. And it should be the promise of 16th December. That's all for the movement. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.